Time shapes every moment of our lives, yet we understand almost nothing about it. We wake up, grow older, make plans, remember yesterday, and expect tomorrow. But what is this invisible thread connecting every moment? Scientists say time is not just a flow, it is a fundamental part of the universe's structure. Space and time are woven together, forming what we call spacetime. This means time does not simply pass around us. Our entire existence is built inside it. When you walk through a room, you move in space. When you live your life, you move through time. This chapter begins our journey by replacing the idea of time as a river with a more powerful picture. Time as a landscape. A landscape where every moment of your life is a location, and your consciousness is traveling through those locations one by one. To understand time, we must be willing to rethink everything we assume about how the universe works. Before Einstein, people believed time ticked uniformly everywhere, like a perfect cosmic clock. Einstein shattered that belief. He showed that time bends, stretches, and slows based on gravity and speed. The stronger the gravity around you, the slower time moves. If you lived close to a black hole, a single hour for you could be years for someone on Earth. Even in daily life, this effect exists. Your feet are closer to Earth's gravity than your head, so time at your feet moves a tiny bit slower. It's incredibly small, but real. Satellites must correct for these time differences to keep GPS accurate. Time dilation proves something extraordinary. Time is not fixed. It responds to the universe around it. Gravity shapes time. Speed shapes time. And because space and time are connected, bending one bends the other. This discovery changed our understanding of reality. The now you experience is not the same now. Someone else might experience far away. To humans, time feels like a straight line. Yesterday behind us, tomorrow ahead. But when physicists write the laws of nature, something strange happens. Most of these laws work perfectly in reverse. If you filmed atoms colliding and played it backward, the physics would still look correct. This is called time symmetry. The universe does not care about forward or backward. Its rules stay the same. So why do we feel a one-way direction? The answer comes from entropy, the measure of disorder. Natural systems tend to move from order to disorder. A cup can fall and break, but the pieces will never jump back together. That would require the universe to become more ordered by itself, which is extremely unlikely. This creates the arrow of time. Time feels like it moves forward because disorder continually increases. Our memories exist in one direction because the brain records information as the universe becomes more complex. In truth, the arrow of time is not built into physics. It is built into the way the universe evolves. Scientists describe time as the fourth dimension, standing alongside height, width, and depth. You are not just located somewhere in space. You are located somewhere in time. In space-time, your entire life becomes a long line, with every moment existing at a specific coordinate. Some physicists believe all moments, past, present, future, exist simultaneously, like pages in a book already written. We simply experience them one at a time. This view is called the block universe. Others argue that time might not exist at all. It could be an illusion created by our brain to make sense of change. According to this idea, the universe is timeless. All events simply exist, and our mind builds a story to connect them. Which view is correct? No one knows. But the question forces us to rethink reality itself. Maybe the universe is not a flowing story. Maybe it is a complete structure, and consciousness is the thing that moves. Our experience of time is one of the least reliable senses we have. We feel time through emotion, attention, and memory, not physics. A joyful hour disappears quickly. A stressful minute feels like it never ends. Children experience time slowly because each moment is new. Adults feel time speed up because the brain stops recording familiar events in detail. Even stranger, our brain does not live in the exact present. It processes information with a small delay and predicts what will happen next. creating a smooth experience of now. This means the moment you think you are living is slightly in the past, stitched together by your brain. Our sense of time is not a clock. It is a story our mind constantly rewrites. Physical time is flexible and shaped by gravity and motion. Mental time is shaped by feelings and memory. Understanding this difference helps us see that time is not one thing, but two: the time of the universe and the time of the human experience.